Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video I will be showing an easy method of making this wooden log planter using plastic bottles. So let's begin making it. For this I have taken a plastic bottle and cutting it into two parts and then cutting it like so. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such videos. Also making the edges uneven. Now using a glue gun, I'm sticking this portion of bottle to the first one. Also making drainage hole. Now using a newspaper, I'm making the design of the log and sticking it with the help of glue gun. Now basic structure is ready for cement work. Now mixing white cement with water and making it a dough-like consistency and covering the entire bottle with this mixture. Smoothing it using water. At this stage, cement is wet and making texture of the wood using a tool. Now taking a portion of this white cement dough, I am making some mushrooms and sticking them with the help of water. Now making some fungus on the wooden log. After finishing the cement work, I let it dry for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, it easily comes out. Now using sandpaper with very gentle hands, I am smoothing it. I am using acrylic color to paint this planter. First using brown color. Also painting inside the planter. Using some light beige for the stems of the mushroom. Some red for the top. And shading with orange color. Now using some dark beige for fungus. some shades of light beige color. Now giving some effect of moss using light green color. Some shades of olive color. And finally giving some shades of black. And after applying some clear varnish, your own DIY planter is ready to plant some beauties. You can put succulents or any plant of your choice. I'm decorating it with some money plants and lemon coral sedum. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and give your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.